Hello friends, welcome to my channel. We are going to continue with what we were doing, algebraic expressions and identities, and today we are going to continue exercise 9.1 from question number 4, first question. So if you have books in front of you, it would be very easier for you to understand. So the first question is, they are saying subtract 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12 from 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. So you can do it by two ways. So I am going to tell you both the methods. One is vertical and one is horizontal. So we will do both the methods. So first we will be doing horizontal method. So how you do this horizontal method? If they say to subtract, many students make mistake in the first step only. Subtract a from b means you have to write it like this. You have to subtract a. So a you have to write here. So here also they are asking subtract this number from this. So first number has to be 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3, and from this then we have to subtract 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12. So now when I take out the bracket, both the brackets, so first step is give the brackets, write the subtraction. Now, what is the sign in front of the first bracket here? There is no sign, that means it's positive. So, whatever the signs are inside the bracket, we will keep the signs as they are. We are not going to change any sign of any term in the first bracket. Now this is very important thing, there is a negative sign before the second bracket, so we have to change the sign of each number while we take out the bracket, while we take out all the terms out of the bracket. So this plus 4a will become minus, this minus 7ab will become plus, this plus 3b will become minus, and this plus 12 will become minus. Now we have to solve the like terms, simple as that. 12 plus 12a minus 4a. They have different signs, so just subtract, give sign of bigger number to the answer. Minus 9ab plus 7ab, they have different sign, so subtract, give sign of bigger number to the answer. Plus 5b minus 3b, they have again different signs, so subtract, 5 minus 3 is 2, give sign of bigger number to the answer, that is positive. Now minus 3 and minus 12, they both have the same sign. So add the two numbers and give the same sign to the answer. We cannot solve this question further because all the terms are unlike. Now here it's one term contains a, one term contains b, one term contains ab, and the one term is a constant. There is no a or b there. This same question we will solve with the vertical method also. This method is also very easy. Okay, so we have to subtract this number from this one, 12a. So I am going to write that number first, 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. Now we have to subtract this number. So while writing below this number, we have to write like terms one below the other if they are not in a sequence. 4a has to be placed below the term of a. Then 7ab has to be placed below the term of ab. Then plus 3b below the term of 3b, and then plus 12. Now what we are going to do, we are going to subtract. So what we do is we give negative sign here and change the sign of each term in the second expression, second polynomial. Here it's plus, it becomes minus, minus will become plus, plus will become minus, plus will become minus. So now this has positive sign, 4a has negative sign, two signs are different. So subtract, give sign of bigger number to the answer. Similarly for these two, they have different signs. Subtract 9 minus 7 is 2, give sign of bigger number to the answer. Similarly for plus 5b minus 3b, different sign. Subtract, give sign of bigger number, and minus 3 minus 12, same sign, add and give same sign to the answer. So see, you can see that both the methods will give you the same answer, but it's much better to use horizontal method instead of vertical, because what happens, many times you will not have the like terms. So you will have to write 0 below. For example, if there is a 12a in the first term and in the second term there is no term of a, so you have to write 0 below this 12a. So in fact there might be many terms which you will have to write. So it's always better, easier to use horizontal method. So we will be doing horizontal method for the next question now. So now we are going to solve the second question of it, question 4b. They are saying subtract 3xy plus 5yz minus 7zx from, we have to subtract this from 5xy minus 2yz minus 2zx plus 10xyz. We have to subtract from this, right? So we are going to write this first. 5xy minus 2yz minus 2zx plus 10xyz. From this we have to subtract this first term, which was 3xy plus 5yz minus 7zx. So there is positive sign in front of the first bracket. So whenever I open the bracket, I don't change the sign of any term inside the first bracket. So everything is going to be the same, all the signs. And there is negative sign in front of the second bracket. So we have to change the sign of each term in the bracket. So this plus 3xy will become minus 3xy, plus 5yz will become minus 5yz, minus 7zx will become plus 7zx. Now we have to solve the like term. Simple. 5xy is positive, 3xy is negative. They have different signs. Subtract, give sign of bigger number to the answer. Now minus 2yz minus 5yz, they have the same sign. So add. 5 plus 2 is 7yz, give same sign to the answer. Now minus 2zx plus 7zx, again they have different signs. Subtract, give sign of bigger number to the answer, and this term will remain as it is. There is no like term to solve with this one. So this is our final answer for the question number 4b. It's very easy to solve. Let's solve the last question of this. Question 4c, they are saying again subtract 4p square q minus 3pq plus 5pq square minus 8p plus 7q minus 10, that's a big number, from 18 minus 3p minus 11q plus 5pq minus 2pq square plus 5p square. You have to subtract from this, right? So we are going to start by writing this number first. 18 minus 3p minus 11q plus 5pq minus 2pq square plus 5p square q. From this we are going to subtract the second number, this one, 4p square q minus 3pq. Don't mind my p and q, they are not that much good, and when I am writing on the whiteboard it becomes even much worse. So please pardon me. Minus 8p plus 7q minus 10. Okay, so now there is positive sign in front of the first bracket, so I am not going to change the sign of any term. So all the terms will remain as they are. So it will be 18 minus 3p minus 11q plus 5pq. Then it becomes minus 2pq square plus 5p square q. Now we change the sign of all the terms in the second bracket. Here it was plus, it becomes minus 4p square q, minus becomes plus 3pq plus 5pq square becomes minus 5pq square, minus 8p becomes plus 8p plus 7q becomes minus 7q. and minus 10 becomes plus 10. So now we have to solve the like terms. 18 and 10, they both have the same sign, both are positive, so we just add them, give the same sign to the answer. Now move on to the next. Minus 3p plus 8p, different sign, subtract, give sign of bigger number to the answer. Then we have minus 11q with minus 7q, same sign, add, give same sign to the answer. I hope you are able to see this yellow color here. Okay. Then plus 5pq plus 3pq, same sign, we add, give same sign to the answer. Minus 2pq square, you can solve it with minus 5pq square, same sign, we add, give same sign to the answer. Plus 5p square q minus 4p square q is plus 1p square q. These are all unlike terms now, so this is the final answer. Don't get confused with these two terms. Here the square is of q and here the square is of p, so they are also unlike terms. So we have finished exercise 9.1. So friends, I hope you must have understood the question number 4 of exercise 12, 9.1, algebraic expressions and identities. Please support me by subscribing to my channel. If you have really liked the video, please share with your friends also. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.